Hello guys and welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. Today we will be speak about Letyshops and payment proof what I got from my first winddraw from this program. I earned minimal value from cashback in Letyshops company to pay out money from this program, and I want to share with you experience how it's worked. Yes, it works and they pay out money what you get from cashback.
But before we get into it, and if you're new here and you like videos about making money online and working from home, then go hit the subscription channel and that notification bell below to know when I post a new video.
But before I show you my proof of payment, I want to little spoke about Letyshops and what it is for person who doesn't know. So Letyshops is company who collect in one place a lot of online shops where we every day buy some stuff. This collaboration is not for free because these companies pay Letyshops commissions from all orders, and company Letyshops share some percent of commission with us. This commission to thank us for making orders use links from Letyshops page. So how we can earn on Letyshops? In this program, we have two options. First option is to go to online store from this Letyshops links to make orders. When you make it, you get cashback commission from your order. So you can use this search bar, find some shop. You can use this menu and select some category and check what store is available in this program, or you can choose one of this shop what you see here. Of course, you will be see different shops in your Letyshops account because depends what country you are. This shop will be changes. I have very popular Allegro is very popular platform to selling something in Poland, but in another country is not popular. I think you will be see here maybe Amazon or something else or AliExpress, what is very popular platform in another country. Second option is refer friend to this program and earn some commissions and some bonus from someone who created account from your link. So to do this is very simple. Go to your account, refer and earn. Here is your link. You can use my link if you want to create it account from my link. And like you see at the moment is some promotion 100 for free invited friends to 21 March this year. And this program is very simple. You friend register using your referral link. They make a qualification purchase for 50 zloty in 13 days. Each of you received 10 zloty to your account balance. Of course, like I spoke before, this is my currency because I'm in Poland. I think you will be see your currency what you create in account. Next thing what I want to spoke is how to make payout from this program. Very simple. Click on your avatar, withdraw funds, and here you see three option. This is for Poland. You can see here another option. I think PayPal will be most international, but in Poland we have PayPal, single euro payment area, and bank transfer. I chose bank transfer, and now you type here, enter your IBAN or bank account, uh, name, surname, and total how many money you want to pay out. And push button withdraw funds. I requested my payout, so now I show you my proof of payment from Letyshops, and I can told you I made withdraw from this program 5th uh, 5th March this year 6 p.m. So this was after working hours, and I got my money from my bank account after 5 days. So 10 March this year, I got my money on my account. So if we go to my blog. There I put image with proof, so Letyshops payment proof, and we scroll to the bottom. Here I put whole information how I show you in a video. Here is proof. So like I spoke, 5th March I requested payout. 10 March I got my money on my bank account, and here is proof from my bank account. So like you see, is my requested money, and this came very fast. So if you have any question about this program, or you got your own payout from this program and want to share with our community, put this information in comments below this video or below post in my blog.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.